This is the Depulat PX02 phone charging Bluetooth speaker lamp. You can see right here, we've got this ambient lighting. We're gonna walk through, show you all the solid color states, the blended color states. We'll let you listen to a little bit of the Bluetooth music that you can connect to your phone while also charging it. So you can also use this as just a lamp at nighttime as well as a battery charger or Bluetooth speaker. So let's jump in right now. So there's not a lot to this box as far as what comes in it. Just to show you right here, you've got the actual, wireless charging music table lamp, Type-C cable, and the power adapter, which is nice. So we're just gonna pull this straight out of the top, and I'll just put everything on the table. Oops. We do have an instruction manual that kind of just walks through the power button, volume up, volume down, the different modes on the lights, the light brightness, and you can adjust that light brightness, right? You can go from 40%, 60%, 80%, or 100% for your color lights, for your solid ones. It kind of walks you just through all of the different settings there. So here is, as I drop this, your USB to USB-C cable, as you can see there. So we'll set that there. Sturdy build. We'll give you a front view. And there's our power adapter right there. And again, there's your USB. I do like that the colors match, just for me, somebody that doesn't necessarily have OCD, but really like that it matches the charger. So we're just right there, and a USB-C right here in the back. You can also connect a traditional USB. So here's your speaker here, and then your controls are right in here. So you've got your power button. So we're going to turn this on. I'm actually going to lay it down like this, just so. Nice. We've got some volume already. So we'll give you both views. We're going to give you a top view in the unboxing, and then I'll show you a frontal view. Actually might replace this with the other light that I have. So we're changing the brightness now. Let me actually turn off this second light so you can see this. So we're changing the brightness mode. This is going to be our 20%, 40%, 60, 80, and 100. You can change the modes, which is the colors. You can see the different colors as we go through there. There's kind of a rainbow one with the blue and the green. And then we're back to red. And there's one that's actually changing around, which I like. So we're going to get a phone and plug this in. I'll give you a frontal view, put myself back in it, and show you what it looks like on a shelf or something like that. So we are connected to the PX02 wireless charging music table lamp by Depulat. So we've got an iPhone here. It works on Samsung. It basically works on any device that has a wireless charging on the back. So when we go into the buttons, I just want to walk you through really quick. Is to connect to your Bluetooth, you're going to hold down this M button and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Once you're connected, you can control the music. And again, the speakers are in the back and we are plugged in. You can see the wire right over here. I'm going to scoot this back just a little bit so you can see the whole thing. The mode button is this light button right there in the front that you can see right here. So when we click this on, this changes the brightness. Again, we can go 20, 40, 60, 80, or 100%, or totally off, as you're seeing here. And then as we change our modes, that changes our colors. So I'm going to turn off the lights in the room just to give you a better idea of what this looks like. So the glow is actually pretty fantastic, and it's even throughout the whole lamp here. This could also be used as a makeup light, depending on, there's a makeup light that you could use. Pink, green, it doesn't show up really well on the camera. It is a bright green. Then you kind of get this blue to green here. If I scoot this back, maybe you can see it a little bit better. There you go. And I think our last one is one that changes. So the thing I love about the charging is you can go both directions, right? So you can go vertical here, and you can see that it's charging right there. Or if we pull it off and we go horizontal, you can see that we're also charging there, and it pulls up our date and time and everything. So there's the little power charging battery right up there. So super convenient, super nice. And again, this could be used just as a Bluetooth lamp. If you have little kids that maybe don't have a phone, or other devices. But again, this works both ways, and the light is really good. So I'm just gonna let you look at this by itself for a second, finish off with. So super easy to install, super sturdy, obviously charges anything that takes a wireless charge. You can actually take this and plug in a USB to your phone and connect it that way as well. So it'll give you, again, 33,000 milliamps. So highly recommend it, 10 out of 10.